What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be playing some Minecraft. I lost the footage from a thing, so we start a bit later, I think, because the video couldn't play, so I had to delete it because it didn't work. So now we're a bit further. Let's see. Hopefully this works. Yeah. Now we have to wait. So I said in the previous video that we're gonna get mining, but where's the other footage? I don't know. Yeah. So should get day soon enough. Is that a sheep? Yes. Perfect. So now we can sleep so we can actually skip the night. Thanks. Get over here. Yeah, I have so you guys can see what I'm doing. I have that records my swipes. So it's like a little tiny circle. Perfect. We can actually skip the night now. Place. What's the bed? Oh, here we go. Perfect. Now it's morning. Cool. So let's get mining. Let's get to it. Cool. Nope. Bam. We're on the road again. Get some cobbles. We should really pick up the axe. Get it? I have a pickaxe. Never mind. Getting cobble so we can get an upgrade. Upgrade. This video is gonna be 10 minutes because tonight. I said that in the first video, but where are we going now? I can't find the footage. Yes, coal. Awesome. Getting coal. No, not for Christmas. I'm not getting coal for Christmas. I'm a good boy. Something weird to be saying right now. Good. You can see. Bravo. Let's go somewhere here. Nice. Perfect. I like the coal, so when you find just one, it'll be loads in the area. I think that should be enough, yeah. Take this back. Get out of here. go to a nice little, but I don't hate windows. The ball's good. Just a biome right there. And this. And that. Get this. Oh no. So yeah. Just into that. Push, push, push. Boom. Tap it to you. So I don't know what to like find right now. What can we do in 4 minutes? We try and go find more iron. Okay, so did I find more iron? Yeah. Okay. Bam, bam, climb like the Woodchop Mountain. Shining the Woodchop. Is it gonna be a rip-off? Fucking rip-off. Did I see iron? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Okay. Yep. Total rip-off. Oh my god, that hurts. So like in Minecraft you can jump like 2 blocks. I think. I don't know quite well. Yes, you can like jump 2 blocks. PC version you can like 10 blocks. I'm just kidding. There. Yeah. Bring us tears, cause it's too late, babe. I know you're crying. When it gets night in game time or in the video. There's a cow up there. Oh my god, that's so weird. A cows and baby. So in the last episode that you can never see, I did not explore this cave. Please don't be a ripoff. Just go home now. 8 minutes? I think that should be enough. Yeah, could be. I don't know. Yeah, could be. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos. So really encourage me to make more videos. It's gonna be a lot of fun to have subscribers like other YouTubers. But remember, I'm not like hogging you guys to do it. Just if you like the video, let that down. Please subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you. Bye, dudes.